last week I had a sales call with this lady who wanted to think about it. I was not set up to take the payment. How do I reach out to her with regards to the actual program?
You had a sales call, right?
Yes, I talked about the program, I talked about the price, and she said she was going to think about it. I was not set up for the deposit. That was my mistake.
Sales is a journey. So like you're getting a lot of no's before you get a yes. Person is coming to you because they're already in a pattern of thinking and stuckness and no results. Like it's already bad. There's a tension inside of them between their unhappiness with where they are and where they want to be. And so they're standing there and there's tension. They get on the call and they get closer and closer and closer to what? A moment where they have to make a decision to fix it or not, which is by paying. And so what people feel, why people don't like sales or don't like people that are salespeople is because they think that we are trying to pressure them to do something. But there's a difference between pressure and presence. You need to help them see, hey, you're just feeling what presence feels like. You're fully present of your problem. And now there's an opportunity to fix it. But see, thinking doesn't take away pressure or tension. So my goal is this. If it's a no, we cut it here right now. I love you so much. I'll keep sending you some good stuff maybe later on. If it's a yes, put a deposit down. Take some time to get the money. If it's a yes, let's get started. But you have to cut the tension because that's what the transformation is. It's like, I have to make a decision. When you get off call with someone that doesn't make a payment and they heard your price, you can't think this is a person that could buy now. So you start treating her as a person to follow up to take a payment. I think that's what changes the nature of what a salesy follow-up process feels like. And that's bad. Is if you get off the call and they didn't make a payment, they know the price and they know everything. If you think, oh, this is an almost sale. If I just follow up like this week, she'll pay me eventually. You're going to get off, I want your money vibe. She's going to get off like, I never made my decision. You didn't overcome what, like inside me what I need help with, but you didn't earn it. And so no amount of time is going to change this. Now I feel this pressure. I just don't like you now. The way I want you to think about them is like they're back to square one as a lead and you want to nurture them to think about buying again. So essentially pretend like you didn't tell them the price. You didn't know anything because the way you're going to approach that is what? If you wouldn't expect someone who hasn't talked to you at all to pay anything. So now you're back to like, hey, I saw something about, you should talk to me about this on the call. I want to send you this now, or try this. And you're just nurturing her again so that you can help the person reconsider the decision that they once did not decide with you. So you don't treat it like a follow-up sale. Treat it like a follow-up lead.